Beats the elegance of a handloom sari. I hope you agree. Here we have a black and red Orissa Ikat handloom silk sari. It's a pure silk sari. Look at the color combination. It looks so beautiful. All you have to do is just pair it up with some silver jewelry or temple jewelry and it's gonna look gorgeous. First, let's check out the pallu. It's got symmetrical patterns which are created when the thread is first dyed and then woven. So it takes a lot of craftsmanship to make a sari like this. A lot of skill goes there, and the fabric is pure silk. This would fall beautifully when you drape the sari on. And here you have all the traditional motifs on the body of the sari. We have just one piece in this, so don't miss out. If you want the direct link to the sari, just comment link and we'll send you the link. You can also check out the product code in the description, search on our website and place your orders. Thank you so much.